Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Simplykay, back with another video. Today is the cash stuffing for the first check of April. Y'all be proud because today I got the check. It's Friday, April 8th, and guess who's recording the video? I went to the bank and I have my money and I'm ready to record the day I got the money. Like, let's just clap for me because y'all know it's been a struggle and my videos have been late, but I am here. So if you are new, thank you for tuning in. Welcome to my channel. I hope that you enjoy what you are about to see. If you are a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey boy, hey, you already know what the deal is. So we're gonna hop right into this cash stuffing. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get into it. So, per usual, I don't even know why I have so much energy at work today, but you know, these 8-hour shifts are doing your girl good. These 8-hour shifts feel a little nice to be come out of work, see the sun shining. Like, we're not used to this. So, gas is going to be getting $50, and let's just talk about gas for a quick second because I'm tired. I am tired of it. I am so tired of it. I put $30 in my tank maybe like sometime last week, and then 2 or 3 days ago I filled my tank up $80. 80 on top of the $70 that I had already put in here, honey. Like, excuse me, I'm not even gonna add that up. It's too much. It's too much for gas. They're playing with us, y'all. It's trifling at this point, and I don't ever want to see $80 to fill up something ever again. I'm like, Jeep gang, like, y'all know how I feel right now. It's too much money. It's too much money, but we gotta do what we gotta do, huh? So gas is getting $50 because I just put a nice hot 80 in there, and I've been using my credit card because I'm like, am I even budgeting for this anymore? Because it's too much. Like, it's going over my budget. So when in doubt, just pull out my credit card. I gotta get gas, I gotta get to work. So $50 is going in there this week. Toll is going to be getting $5. I ain't going nowhere, so y'all should see this $5 in here next stuffing because I'm tired of it. I'm tired of the gas. I can't do it. Food has some money left, $2. So we're gonna put this off to the side, and we're gonna be putting in $20. I think 20 is doing me justice for now. It's better than the 10. Date night is going to be getting $25. We haven't really been anywhere, but I want to have that money just in case. I'm a real breakfast girl, so maybe we'll go out to the diner and something, or have like brunch on Sunday. I work tomorrow, so maybe Sunday morning we'll go out to brunch. I love going out to diners and like good breakfast brunch spots, if you guys know what I mean. Shopping is going to get $20. It really shouldn't get anything because I just bought a whole bunch of stuff on Amazon, but it's okay. I bought a humidifier, which is needed for health because allergies, since the weather is starting to get a little warmer, you know, flowers are starting to come out, people are cutting the grass, my allergies are messed up. So I had to get a humidifier so your girl can breathe. And that is it for that. So that's it for our wallet. I'm telling you, I said it in my last video, but I'm ready to get a new one. I'm over it. And then I kind of want something more pink. Like, this is like rose. I don't know. I should have just got black, you guys. Can never go wrong with black. So now we're going to get into our cash envelopes. Fun money is going to be getting $10 today. It has absolutely nothing in there. Me and my family went out for one of my brother's birthdays, so I spent all that money. We actually went to brunch and I used that money for that. So fun money has $10 in there. Self-care has $95, and we're adding in 15. And so I have a whole bunch of 5s and no 10s because I went to the drive-thru at TD Bank and it was just ridiculous. And the last time I went, I had to sit there forever, so I just went in and used the little machine. So if you guys don't know, some of the machines, if you go to TD Bank, you can get out bills, but I could only get out 50s, 20s, and 5s. But hey, I was like, I'm just ready to get in and get out, and I don't feel like waiting, and then they mess up my bills because they're just overwhelmed. So I just went through and used the machine, so that's why I don't have any 10s. So it had 95, it's getting 15, so we should have a total of $110 in self-care, which is perfect because I have a nice appointment tomorrow. It's like a little girls' day after work, so I'm gonna need this money. So 50, 70, 90, 95, 100, 105, 110. And I think I will be spending like 85 tomorrow, so we'll be back at square one. But as you can see how crusty and ugly my nails are, I'm just letting them be because I was so annoyed with them. Like, if they grow out too much, I get annoyed. So I'm like, okay, time to have my nubs for a little while, embrace my little nurse life, because I'm not supposed to be having my nails all long like that anyway. But I've just been rebellious, you guys. So back to the nubs for a little bit. Emergency fund. So we did take out money. I took out $220 because we have, for those of you who don't already know, we have an oil, like we have to put oil in for our heat, and that stuff is pricey. Like, you think gas is expensive? Oil is expensive. We did not want to have to fill up again, but this weather doesn't want like summer to come. Like, we're at spring. This is not spring. It's still winter some days. Like, it's cold. So we had to fill up our tank again. So that was like $400 something. We split it. So I took out $220 from my emergency fund, and then we're just putting in $10 today. So we should have a total of $330. I don't think I took it already, but if I did, I'll find out. 100, 200, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 300, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 330. So yeah, 330. And I'm like, you know what? This is what the emergency fund is for. It's for things like this. Like, I did not want that coming out of my account. I'm like, you know what? I'm in a good place with my emergency fund. This is what it's for, and we'll just continue to build it back up. I like get into the habit where I like kind of hoard my money in my envelopes, but I'm like, sis, this is the point of them, to use them when you need them. So you always have to remind yourself. Car maintenance has $135. I should have took money out because I did get not an oil change. I got a car wash. I need to start taking that out when I use that, because that's car maintenance. But I did not. So it had $135. I'm adding 10 to it, so we should have $145. So 100, 110, 120, 130, 135, 140, 145. Which is good. Y'all know with my last car, there would have been $0 in there because we would have had another issue. But we leave things in the past. Medical and dental, I did have a doctor's appointment. I finally got a new primary care doctor, and I love her. Like, it's so hard to find good doctors that don't just rush you in, act like they don't care. And me being a nurse, I want someone who will talk to me. Like, I don't need you to explain everything. I don't need you to like do the most, because I already know. I know how to take care of myself. I know when things are wrong, blah blah blah. But it's nice to have someone who genuinely wants to get to know their patients. And as a nurse, I really, really admire doctors that do that. So I'm very happy with my doctor. And I'm hoping that she like never leaves, because I feel like you get good doctors and then they leave, or they leave the practice, or they move, or like something always goes wrong. So let us all just pray that my doctor stays so that I can have a nice primary care doctor. So there's $85 in here because I did have a copay for $15, and I'm going to be adding in $5, so we should have a total of $90. So 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90. Perfect. I want to change my envelopes again, but I don't know what to do, and I don't feel like making anything right now, and I couldn't find any ones that I wanted to buy yet. So hopefully I see something soon, but I want something different. I don't know. Something real cute. Birthdays and gifts has $2 left. We're gonna put that off to the side. And it also has some change, so we'll take that out. I think I spent just enough. I had my brother's birthday, and I had my, I have twins, nephews, and they turned 3, which is freaking ridiculous. I feel old. So all the money is gone. So I'm adding in $10. I can't believe that they're 3. It just makes me feel so old. I feel like they were just born yesterday. It's just nuts. So we're starting the birthday fund over again, but I don't have a birthday until May. So, no, I mean, yeah. Family, I don't have a birthday until May. Friends, I have my best friend's birthday's in April, but I don't have any family. So, hubby has $15 in here. He's getting 5, so he's gonna have 10, 15, 20. Vacation, I really need to beef this up, but I just don't have the extra money right now. We have $20 in here. We're giving 5 to it today, so we should have 10, 15, 20, 25. Like, I need at least like $200 in this by the end of May. So grad school, we have about like a $980 balance for my summer semester. We did finish paying for spring, so that's out of the way. I'm currently in my spring class now. I have like 2 weeks left of that class, and then I start my summer class a week after that. So I have $978 left, and we have $800 here, and we're adding in $100. So we should have $900 total, and then so the next paycheck at the end of the month, we will just have to put in like $80, and then I'll pay that when I pay it. I think I'm gonna go ahead and just pay the whole $900 the next time it's due, just to get it out of the way. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 850, 900. So that is perfectly good. And then we can start saving a little slower, because I don't think I'm gonna go back to school until sometime in the fall. Like, I'm taking the summer off, so I'll probably go back this second class of fall. So then I have 4 classes this year. Textbooks, it has $15 in it. It's not getting anything because that should be enough for my next textbook. Hopefully, if not, we'll add another $5 in it. None of my textbooks have been like expensive, so I've just been renting them. Christmas has $65. It's just getting 5 this time. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, which is pretty good. Simplykay has 90. It's not getting anything, but let's just double check and make sure. 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90. I did go ahead and buy a camera tripod, so just stay tuned for what my channel is gonna hold, because I'm switching it up on you guys. P.O. box is getting nothing. I don't even know why I sat here and I knew I wasn't putting anything in it. It has $25 in it, so 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And I need 60 in there by November. And now my P.O. box is for my business, and I haven't really even been making anything. But if I have orders for people who do stuff like personally, I send it from my P.O. box just so I don't have to use my home address. But as of right now, my P.O. box has not gotten much love, so it's okay. I haven't really been sending anything. I don't think I've sent anything since like November. When God blesses me, it's for me to bless you, is getting $5. So we should have a total of 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. And we are almost at, I mean, not really, but we're almost at 3,000 subscribers. So that is exciting. Now we're gonna get into our dollar savings challenge. I'm not even gonna say it, never mind. We're gonna get into our dollar savings challenge. And we have $1, 2, 3, $4. And so we should have a total of $27. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Y'all, I am just so hyped that I did that on the first try, because y'all know for some reason the $2 bill always throws me off. But we did it this time. $27 is in that. And then for my personal savings challenge, so that I can just do whatever I want this summer, is getting, first of all, it has $475 in here already, and it's going to be getting 35. So 20, 25, 30, 35. And I can't believe how fast. It's like hit or miss, because sometimes my checks are a little bigger and sometimes they're not. So I'm just trying to prioritize the envelopes and at least give everything something if it needs it. So we should have a total of $510, which is crazy. But 100, 200, 300, 400, 420, 440, 450, 460, 465, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 500. Oh my gosh, I can't count. Hold on. 100, 200, 300, 400, 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. So that's 500. 505, 510. I don't know why. When you have too much money sometimes it just get a little jacked up. So we have $510 in that, which is just amazing. And then last but not least, we are going to do our favorite thing, my favorite saving challenge, because you don't even like realize that you're saving this much, but you are, is the coins. So we have $67.91 and we're gonna put in the coins. So now we have $68.89, so almost $1. So that's getting heavy now too. So that is it. That is all that I have for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. It was nice, short and sweet. We got to the point. Y'all heard me with my little spiels, and yeah, so I'm so excited. If you have not already watched my debt video, that should have been up already before this one. So go ahead and check that out, and you'll get an update on where I am in my debt journey as far as my student loans. And just stay tuned for all that I have in store for this channel. I hope that you guys enjoy, and I hope you guys stay and rock with your girl. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.